to my tutorial. Today I'll be showing you Adobe Illustrator basics. If you're a beginner, make sure stay tuned. So open Adobe Illustrator, it look like this. So you can choose to create a new, or you can go with a letter size, any size here on top. Okay, let's jump into create new project. Create new projects. Maybe you want to be a mobile size or any size, but I will go with this one, the letter size. Then here you can change it from points to pixels. Then there's the size of your artboard, and then then you click create, and here is it. Okay, then this here on the top, it's a selection tool, direction, pen tool. That's what we're going to use, pen tool. We'll focus more on the pen tool. So here's the project window. So let's say you want to trace something, so you can just click it on your computer, then drop it, click and drag. Then to resize, make sure you press shift on your keyboard, then resize it to a small size. Once you're happy with the size, you go to object, you lock the selection, lock selection, so that we'll be able to trace. Okay, then select your pen tool. Then the pen tool on the other side, once you select it, you can see there's nothing happening on this side. Once you select the pen tool, it shows you the appearance of the pen tool, the fill in color. It's white, but for now we'll close it. And then the stroke, it's black. And then the size of a stroke is 1 point. Okay, let's start tracing. Let's say maybe we want to trace this W. Then you just click. Let me start again. You just click, then move, and click. And let's say now you want to make this curve. Click and drag and resize it. Click and drag and resize it. Then press Alt, then go back on your keyboard. Press Alt. Then that's it. That's fine. Then go down. Move on. Even here there's a little curve. Click and drag. Click and drag. And then press Alt if you are happy. Okay. Again, click and drag. Alt. That's it. Click and drag. When you create a curve, you must click and drag, then press Alt. And that's it. Click and drag, press Alt. I'm not happy. Then right click, undo a pen. I think we should place it here. Then Alt. Click and drag. Alt. Click and drag. And press Alt. You must make sure that it's closed from one point to another point. Make sure that it's closed. It's closed up so that when you fill the color, you must be able to fill it. Let's say now we want to fill the color in. Maybe we'll choose this color. With this, you can go whatever color you like. That's it, guys. So now let's say I want to remove the background image. So go back to object, unlock, and press backspace, delete. So now we only have this. Maybe I don't like the stroke to be visible. Let's close the stroke. Then it's like this. Okay, guys, that's it. It's a pen tool, the most important thing. And to make a curve, you should always click, then go to the next point, then click and drag and curve it around. These two little arrows, they show you where you're moving to. As you can see, the one at the top shows that we're moving to the left side. So when you're happy, then press Alt, then go back to your point, and that's it. Yeah. Okay guys, that's it for today. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Any question? Thanks for watching. See you soon.